remotely, right? And what are the configuration you required you have to do, okay, for physical access purpose and remotely access purpose, right? Okay, so remotely, how many users can allow, so is depend on the administrator company policy. So based on that policy you can assign and give the permission to users, okay, got the point. So that we discuss. So now we discuss one thing, and then we'll go to the another topic. So just see here, this is my router and this is my switch.
Sir, screen is
And this
not
is my
sharing. Sir, your screen is not visible. Sir, share your screen. We are not able to see your screen.
yes. Okay, so how to do the configuration? So yesterday you have seen. So already I'm going to do the same thing. So just 10.0.0.2, and the router side I need to configure the interface. Which interface? 0 by 0. This interface. So no, and enable config T. I'm changing the here host name HYD, because host name means I'm changing this router name, this here. So host name, I assign the name Hyderabad. So in the Hyderabad, now I want to enter the interface for 0 by 0. Now I'm enter in interface mode. So which interface? Fast 0 by 0. Okay, because I connect to the LAN, so that is the reason I'm entering this interface fast 0 by 0. Okay, and already you know what is the fast, what is the speed, what is the technology where we connect, what is the cable we can use, what is the port, how many pins, everything, right? Right. So now configuration. So IP address 10.0.0.1 and 255.0.0.0, and one command, no shutdown command you have to use to up the link, right? So now see here, the link is green. So this everything is take the time. Why is take the time? When topic the switch topic we're going to learn, so that time you can understand why still is orange color and it's take the time to uh, uh, go into the status red green status. Okay, so why is take the time, how much time it will take, we will discuss it. So now it's becoming green, right? Now check the connectivity between my system and router. So what is the command? So ping 10.0.0.1. Yes, the ping, my connectivity is established, so I can ping, and from the router I also can ping. So what is the command? Do ping 10.0.0.1. So this is assembly mark, means my connectivity is okay. So I get a reply from the my system. This is if I dot, only dot will come. So this, my connectivity is not established with the system. So sending file and 100% success, file sending, file receiving. Okay, so from the router you can ping same command, just you can use from the router. I can ping, so from both side I can ping. Now I need to configure remotely, because I want to access remotely to the router. So that purpose I need to use the one service, that is the telnet service. Already we discussed yesterday. So telnet, I want to log into the router, so that IP address compulsory 001 now. So what is giving? So foreign is closed, foreign host is closed, because I'm not configure any things in related to remote service. So that is the reason I need to configure line line VTY 0 to 4. These are the rules, and password I'm giving 123, the password. Okay, which purpose? Login purpose and exit. Clear. So this password I'm configure. Now one check. So again, length see here. Now this time I can able to log on. User access verification. But 1, 2, 3. When I type password, so the router will provide me user mode. Then I want to enter the privilege mode, so I can't enter. No password set, because already we discussed about this one yesterday. Okay, so this is called enable password. So enable password I need to configure. So how I can configure here? Enable password. So enable password, for example, I'm typing CCNA, right? Now do show run. So I want to see the running configuration of the router. You can see enable password is the CCNA, right? This is my VTY. This password also 123. VTY password is 123 and enable password is okay. Now again exit. See that time broadcast time, because I using the wrong command. So it's thinking some domain is available. So domain name I'm typing. So it's going to search broadcasting. This is a broadcast address. Telnet and .0.0.1. Yes, no. .0.0.1. Now password. So what is the password? CCNA or 123 123 and enable password CCNA. So I enter. Okay. So now if anybody know the password, so they can enter the router. So I don't want, I want no one can, because router when try to log on to the router should must be asked the username. So this authentication I want, means company want only selected people, those people have the username password, so they can log on and access. User level authentication I needed on side the router, so I need to configure user level authentication. This is only password, so anyone can know the password, so they can enter the router and they can do whatever they want. Okay, so that is the reason I'm going to configure user. So how I can create the user, right? So username, so for example I'm XYZ or Usman, and password XYZ. And second thing, okay, let's see this one. Let me complete this one and they will show username Usman and password. So I create the user. So then this authentication, if I create the only user, so that time it will be access or not. Let's see. Telnet 10.0.0.1, the password 123, enable, then password CCNA. It's not asking the username, same again, like that. So what I need to do? So one thing, go where line VTY04 and login local. This command I need to add it. Enter, exit, do WR, do show run. It's come. No. Telnet 10.0.0.1 now is asking the username, right? Yes, guys. Mr. Usman, Mr. Tahir, Mr. Amjad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
So
asking username.
now is asking the username. Username Usman and password XYZ. Okay, so now you are entered the router. Clear? Now, pass enable. Enable password is CCNA. Okay. So many password you should be memorize. Remember that one. Okay, got the point. So you should be strong memory when you do the IT job, IT work. Okay, so eat nuts, walnut. Okay, and increase the memory. Okay, clear. So this is the user login. Just only what you need to do: create the user in global configuration mode. So because I want to see, do show history. What are the command 10 command previous I'm using? So with the help of this command, I can see the history because last 10 command it will show you. Okay, so what the command you are using last? Why? Because by mistake you are using the one command, but you are thinking you are typing. So that purpose, troubleshoot purpose, you can see okay, what the command you are typing actually, what is the command. Okay, so exit, enable password. See here, this user I'm creating global configuration mode, user Usman password, and VTY previous I'm giving only this command. Which purpose? Login purpose. Now I add one more thing, just only local. That's it. Two things. I told you already in CCNA, command is very small. Command is very small, but it we affected very huge things. Okay, he's changed big behavior of the router, the single command. Okay, so that is the important, not the important to by heart the command. The important things you need to memorize, and you need to know what the effect is happen inside the router when you type this command, when you giving this command. Okay, got the point? So that is the reason you need to know about each everything. Okay, clear? Got the point? So this is the, now one more thing I want to show you. Yesterday we discussed do show run. So this all password is clear text, right? This CCNA and VTY password. So this also zero. See here, MDS zero, this value, and here also clear text. I want to encryption, so that's only you can by default router have the services encryption. So it's convert to the another form, this clear text form to another form, it will convert. So just you enable this service. Just what you need to do, enable service, just service password encryption. You can type this one. So this service is going to be enabled. Okay, so encrypt. But one more thing, when you create the user, so that time you can create secret. So enable secret, and you can assign the password line. So my password is 1. So I assign the password, right? Only one letter, one single letter. Enable. So do show run. See here what happened. Everybody see here. So this is my clear password. So what my password? CCNA. CCNA. And now I'm assigned the secret password is only 1. So it's convert to this much. Got the point? Suppose if hacker take the dictionary, password dictionary, in the password dictionary they will guess, okay, with the help of password dictionary, okay, CCNA is convert to the number. For example, people are using the 143 code. Already you know what is the 143, right? So this is the code instead of the letters we are using. Okay, some like that say people are using the numbers. Okay, instead of telling the letters and sentence, so they are use the code, right? So that code is encryption. Okay, and this is the completely hashing format. Okay, so this, see, already yesterday you are seen when I enable this service, so is taking the 7 number 7. Now this is the 0. 0 means clear text, means he's not using any algorithm to convert to this password. So 0 means he's not using any. So previous yesterday you have seen that is 7. Now this is 5. Already I told you MD5 is a very strong password, is a strong algorithm. Okay, clear? So this password. Now I try to log on. So what is the password? Once again, you see here. Enable password. Enable password CCNA. Now, sorry. Go here. Exit. Inlet 10.0.0.1. Now username Usman and password is XYZ. So I can enable password. So what is the password? My CCNA previous CCNA I'm typing. Now it's not accept. I use only one. Now he's logged. Now I can enter. So what you understand? Anybody can explain these things? Faraz, Amjad, Sadan, Sheikh Hussein, Riaz.
Online?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody can explain? Because one previous I'm typing the CCNA, right? So I can log on anyway. Now when I change the password, secret password, so that time my CCNA password doesn't work.
Yeah, because
Simple,
we
yes,
can.
because it's not, it's just override.
Yeah.
Because when secret password you configure, so that time your clear text password is not acceptable, because that is the higher level security. So higher level security when you assign, so that time your clear text password doesn't work. And see here, only one password is I assign the 1 only, right? Remember
Yes, sir.
the password, so that is convert to this much, right? Suppose if I enable what service password encryption, if I enable do show run, see here what happened. See here my password CCN is convert. See this form and this form. See here which password length is strong,
The above, sir. The secret password.
right? See here, this is the only letters, it will change only one letter. So if you take the dictionary, password dictionary, maybe 6 month 4 month you can find, oh, this 4 letter is take one. For example, one single letter 4, or y o u, you are taking the 3 numbers, right? 3 numbers.
Yes.
So if you guess like that, so maybe he's decrypt the your password, right? Maybe after 6 months, after 1 year, right? But
Yeah.
see here, your password is 1, but he's convert to this much long. Obviously he can break the password, but it's take the more than 10 times more than to decrypt this for this password, right?
Yes.
It's take the long time. Till that time you can change the password, right? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
it's using the algorithm. So that algorithm is message digest 5. This is message. So this is the 7 and this is the hashing format. And this is Okay, when you learn the security, so that time you can learn in cryptography. Password also is available. Okay, so that is more secure. Okay, so when you learn the security, so that time you can understand. Okay, got the point. So here the password, see here, username Usman and password is changed XYZ to this number, right? And same like that VTY password also will be changed because I. Now this is the decrypt form. So now go and check which password it will accept. Again, same password or different. Telnet 10.0.0.1 username Usman and password XYZ and enable password CCNA. I'm typing again. Still is not. If I type 1, now I'm typing 1, so it's accept. Right? So it's still, if it encryption also is not acceptable when hashing format is available. Got the point? So this is a strong pass. Clear guys? Anything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If
Got
you
the point?
enable secret password, then a normal password won't work, sir.
Yes. So what is the command for this one? So
Service
just enable
we need to give the text exclamation mark, sir.
password, enable password CCNA. This is the normal clear text
Oh,
password,
okay. If you
right?
give this
And
command,
instead
then
of
our
password,
normal password will work, sir.
yes, secret password. So here you can type the secret password. That's it. That is the different only. Enable password and assign the password, or enable secret and password, whatever password you want to assign. That's it. Clear?
Clear.
But if you, for example, in the password enable secret, if you type, for example, CCNA and 123 means the password also space. I give the space, so space come under the password category. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? So that is the thing. Remember. Clear? So now with the help of user means username and password, you can log on. So what the configuration you have to do, only just create the username and password inside the router and just give the line mode VTY, just give the extra after login local. That's it. Clear? Guys,
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. True.
yes, right. So thank you so much. Now come to the next topic. So that is our WAN connectivity. WAN already we discussed, already we maybe you forget some things, or maybe you not remember. So again, I quickly revision to that one.
WAN, wide area network, sir.
Wide area network.
Yes, sir. Sir, in wide area network, the speed will be low now, sir, compared to LAN and MAN.
Yes. See. Uh, one pen. Yeah, maybe this option is not available. Okay. See here. This thing. This thing is related to your company, right? And this network is belong to your company, so you are responsible for this network, right? You are responsible for this network, and already you know fast ethernet, okay, and cable, one switch to another switch, how the and server is available, so how to make a communication, right? So these are the responsible. If you are network engineer, so you are responsible till here. You are system administrator, so you are responsible here, server and client. Now you are network engineer, so you are responsible here, right? But it's only company. This part from here to here, this part is completely belong to the service provider, completely belong to the service provider. This modem also is provided by service provider to the company. So this modem already we discussed, V.35 modem, and this is the V.35 cable. This one side is 18 pin, second side is 26 or 60 pin. One side DCE, one side DTE. What is a DCE, DTE? Okay, so already I told you, so it's generate the clock rate and is accepted. So here
And
18
maintain the
pins.
clock.
Yes, 18 pin connector here 26 or 60 pin connector, right? So here 18 pin. So modem side that DCE cable is connected because it generate the clock rate. Actually, the technical things what he's send the signal to long distance. That is the DC means clock rate. Actually, mechanism if you understand. So what the happen is forward to the long distance because means speed break after the speed break which is going to control. I gave the example because it's controlling the speed, right? But same way these DCE means DCE connector, the mechanism the is forward the long distance, is forward to the long distance the signals. See here, so this is the modem and this modem is connect to the again inside service provider modem. So G70 because this modem is connected to the multiple companies, not only this is the my company, same like that more companies available, so that all are connected to this modem. Okay, and this modem is send the signal to the this mux. Okay, uh this and this is the completely fiber optic cable, underground cable maximum. Okay, so this is forward and the streamly, and again this modem is convert and get the signal, so it's forward to the different office, different signal. Same like that your company signals come with this modem v.3 modem with another side. So this so what you need to know, so from here, from this modem to this router, from the modem to this router, what is the connectivity is available, you must know because you are not going to configure this all these things in real time. What will happen, so just you have to provide this complete information about this interface and राउटर के बारे में और इंटरफेस के बारे में आपको सर्विस प्रोवाइडर को बोलना पड़ेगा. सो यू इन एलएसए इज रिटन. ओके, जब सर्विस लिंक सर्विस अग्रीमेंट जब होता है उसके अंदर बताना पड़ेगा आपको. सो दिस information you have to provide to ISP according to this interface. ISP people are configured, they've sent to the mail one file, this what the file same, whatever type the file, same like that. See here, this is the configuration you have seen my screen. So this is the R1 router, R2 router, R3 router. Okay, so these are the configuration they will send. So what you need to do here, just copy that commands and paste in this interface right in the side the router. Go to the global configuration mode and paste. So that time automatically whatever the configuration is required, automatically it will configure inside the router when they copy and paste. Got the point? So before that, when going to configure, you need to inform the engineer, the person is live, sitting on live, and he's according to what the communication. So he will with the communication. So just configure, and he will going to check everything is okay. So that time your configuration is finished. Okay, real time this thing is happen. Otherwise your senior guy is sent to you the configuration, he will said this configuration just inject to the router, so just you copy and paste, that's it. Okay, if any problem is there, so you need to inform to the senior, and senior is remotely log in and solve the check the configuration, and he might to change, so edit, he can change and edit that configuration. Clear? This is the real time, these are things happen. Okay, so some company is do the thing just only they want to configuration in jet, so everything is copy and paste because already because real time you're going to configure, maybe you're going to be mistake, you're doing the mistake. So that is the reason first you configure the all nodes in notepad, even CCI exam when you return. So that is very well and good, because when you're typing in the notepad, so you can understand what you are typing. Okay, and second thing, you can read once and twice, right? So this command is correct or perfect for this configuration or not, right? You can observe and you can see and you modify it. But a in real time means real router, you are giving the command, so that time if you do the mistake one command, so the whole network is goes down, or maybe he's modify anything is changes, right? So it's better, so you can type all commands in the notepad, and then check once and twice and thrice, and after that all the configuration inject to the router. Clear? Got the point? This is the things you have to do the work. Okay, so because here practice no problem, so whatever you want you can do it either, but the best practice is first you configure in the notepad, and then because you make a habit here, so that time easy to do the work on field work or on the company, right, inside the company. So because already you have the habit. Okay, so do that, make a habit. Clear? So that is the router. So this configuration you have to do. So whatever the configuration they're done, so you need to know, you need to know what is it. And because troubleshoot is link up down, so that time you need to know what is the configuration missing and what is the happen. The problem is your side, the problem is this side, ISP side. So you know, so that configuration you have to do. That configuration is WAN configuration. So when you see the WAN configuration, many types of the configuration already we discussed. Okay, so this modem is some CSU DSU modem, right? So this modem, the technical name CSU DSU modem. So channel service unit, data service unit. Okay, so this is connected to it. So this is the American standard, this is the European standard, I told you already. Okay, so American standard speed is 1.44 megabit per second, and I think 2.048 megabit per second. That is a little bit speed in European standard. Okay, so that is the configuration. Okay, now what you need to know more thing. See here, I will show you today these things. Okay, so you can, what is the difference between DC interview level, so that time is help to you if ask. Okay, a knowledgeable purpose. What is the data termination equipment? This is the already we discussed all these things in DCE. Okay, and this is the which router? Usman, can you say which type of the router, which category of this router?
Like you are asking for series number, sir?
Not series, which type? Two categories I told you router.
Acha, portable or a fixed router, you are saying that one, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is this is portable router.
Portable means?
Portable means the internal terminals we can remove and we can inject the new ones.
Okay, so in this router I can remove and can fix another
Yeah.
model, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Looking
Mr. Amjad, what do you want to say? Mr. Usman is correct.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Okay.
There were two types. Model router and fixed router. Same, sir.
This is called fixed router. This is the fixed router. See here, you can't remove it.
Yes, sir.
You can't change anything that is fixed
There's a
inside,
fixed
right?
router.
So you can't. This is a fixed router, and these are the modular routers. So
Modular.
see here, the screws is there, so you can open this screw and you can
Okay.
take out this model, this,
Yes, sir.
and here this is the serial, these two smart port serial here, this
Yes,
one, and here see here, this is the two screws, and you can remove. This is the handle, so you can remove and you can. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 models you can fix like this, 8 models. Okay, got the point? If you
Yes,
have
sir.
2 ports like that, so you can. This is the modular router. Clear?
Yeah, clear, sir. Sir, router
So
network
don't.
act as a LAN WAN, sir. That
Huh?
when router only act as a LAN WAN, sir, we connect networks like LAN WAN. With
What
the
I
help
can
of
say.
router, and I understand, sir. This is fixed routers and that is modulator routers. I
Yes,
understand.
yes.
With the help of router only, we create LAN WAN MAN network, sir.
Yes, from day first we discussing this one.
Yeah, no,
Router
sir.
is using. Yes.
No, I mean, I was. You said RJ45 that cable, no, sir. I thought
Yes,
some different will be in routers. There will be. I thought.
yes. So we discuss RJ45 because you can connect to the LAN, you can
LAN.
connect to the WAN. Okay. So the
Sir,
LAN
same cable
means
for LAN, WAN, MAN also, sir.
same?
Same cable, sir, like RJ45, the port.
No, already we discussed everything. Usman,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
within 1 minute you can explain which cable we can use for WAN, which cable for LAN.
Sir, actually, I'm actually not getting the actual term, but for
Because
LAN and
because
area net.
I'm just is asking.
Yes, sir.
So with the
No, no,
help of
no.
router, we can provide the connection LAN and WAN. Okay.
Yes.
So we can use the same cable or different cable.
No, no. They for WAN we have a different cable, sir. You explained it. I remember.
So which cable we are using?
I think that
WAN purpose we can use the serial cable,
yes,
fiber optic cable
yes,
because
sir.
you
Serial
want to
cable.
communication serial
Yes,
cable.
sir.
Okay.
Underwater sea, all
Yes.
those slides.
So fiber optic. No,
Yes, sir.
correct. I'm looking about the router. So
Yes, sir.
router, if have the routers fiber optic port in that two types of the connectors is available. SC, LC, right?
Yes, sir.
Long
LC,
distance, small
yes, sir.
so
SC,
that
LC. That is what
we can, with the help of that, you can connect the fiber optic, and with the help of the serial smartphone, we can use the serial cable V.35 cable
Yes.
for WAN connection, right? And
Yes.
RJ45, if it is written in fast 0x0 fast Ethernet, so that then you can make a WAN. Okay. So previous, I'm talking about the 5 years, 6 year before. So that much fiber optic cable is not provide ISP people. So that time we can use this RJ45 from the company. For example, your PC, you take the internet connection, right? From
Yes.
the beam cable. So he will provide the RJ45 connector, and that
Yes.
is the WAN you are accessing, right? But this is, I told you, this is the still, because the fiber optic people is connected the switch to your apartment outside your house, that is become a local, right? So from the ISP to the connection is coming to your switch, so that is the WAN, cable. So that time they are use the fiber optic cable and different technology, whatever, right? So from the switch to your system, that is the local. I'm sure, because I'm 5 years, 6 years before ACT. If I take the internet connection, so I can, for example, you are belong to the same apartment, you are stay first floor, okay, I'm just second floor, third floor, okay. So if I take the connection and you also have the beam cable, so that time I can enter your system also, I can see your system also. I'm not talking about the much, because 6 years before, when the beam start newly coming, okay, so that time across your this area, for example, Mehdi Patnam whole area has become a local. So if if give the connection to the complex, so that whole complex is become a local area network, so they can access each other if they are not assigned the password. Got the point? So but after that, after that, they change the some technology, that is the reason is not showing the local and some, okay. So we can see that one, okay, got the point. So
Sir,
till here this is the local. Yes,
sir, I was saying about MAN, sir. Which port, sir, here?
man.
Yeah, sir, for MAN. FOC
So
cable,
the
sir.
totally today is the concept is because the earlier the LAN, MAN, WAN is available. Nowadays, beside house in the company I'm talking about, beside the people are using the internet, through the internet they are using, okay. So MAN is for understanding purpose, that network to understanding purpose, they are giving the little bit long distance, means one city to another city, one state to another state, that,
Yes, sir.
okay, metropolitan area. So that is come under the through the internet you can access, right? But long distance purpose you can use
Like one
this
country to.
because yes, so because the internet, the service, the what your signal is goes to the where the ISP provide ISP, so that responsibility ISP people to how do they send, what the technology they are using. So MAN technology are using the WAN technology they are using, the
Sir,
local.
sir. I know, sir, but about MAN, but how it connects, sir? Which cable I was asking for MAN? For MAN.
That's I'm explaining, yeah. That's because this is not separate port to fund man connectivity.
Oh,
Okay, separate port is not available for this man connectivity. This is WAN port. This is done. Okay, got the point. So
okay.
man is the long short distance, because your company is, for example, you have the company, but only 2 state, not international. So that time you can take the connections, right, with the ISP. So state wise the communication. So which based on your network, which so your network is the man, right? Because you have a company in only 2 states.
Yes, sir. White network. Man.
Okay, so not like the separate port. Separate port is for man connectivity, not like that.
Okay.
Because you are taking the connection. Which type of the connection you are taking? Because here in the real now you are taking the, you call to the ISP, they will provide the, but in the real time the company is not like that, right? So you have to tell each everything, how many branch office you have, right? And which type of the connectivity you want. Okay, and what is the speed you require, head office to branch office, branch office to head office, and head office to customer, and branch office to customer, which type of the security, which type of the speed. Okay, which type of the connectivity you want. Okay, so this all these things you need to inform to the ISP people. Based on that one, they will charge you and they will provide the service. Okay, so you have only state wise, 1 2 state wise, so they will provide that. So that network is called man. That is called man, right? Logical name, that is the man. So this is the name we are assigned because to understanding purpose. So here you are one room to another room, because another company is there, right, beside your company, first floor, sir. So just communication purpose, you are making a cable, one server to that server, and your communication, right? So how you describe this network, right? With the cable. So you can describe this is the LAN, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
so people can easily understand, oh, LAN means a single area connectivity or maximum one campus, that's it. But you have the company in different 2 states, so how you will describe your network? So that time you can say man. But you have across the globe your branch office, so how you would describe your network? WAN. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But there is no any like that separate ports. Okay, because everything is the connection. Okay, so router have the LAN and WAN connectors. Okay, so based on, because your network, to understand, to explain about your network, so that is the name they will assign. Okay, but nowadays beside your room also they are using the internet, right? So everybody
Yes,
is
sir.
using the internet, right? So everything, so that is the WAN communication, right? Everything everywhere. Clear?
Clear, sir.
See here in the WAN nowadays these are the thing. Previous I told you frame relay XY.02, that's different, there is outdate. Nowadays MPLS, metro ethernet, virtual private network, VPN, DSL, cable, VSET, these are the, but in that the company will use the MPLS and VPN company people provide, or internet service provide. Okay, VPN, virtual private network, and MPLS. So these the separate technology and separate codes and separate protocols, separate devices. MPLS. Okay, got the point. So just you are learning the beginner. Okay, basic course. So here the technology is changed, because this completely based on the ISP people. Okay, so here you need to provide and give that connection from the MPLS. This got the point. So nowadays these are the WAN connectivity. Okay, that is come under the ATM, SONET, fiber optic. Clear? This is the modular router. See here, he's written Amjad. See here, he's
Yes,
written
sir. Yes,
fast
sir.
Ethernet, fast 10 by, so is support to
100.
10 Mbps to 100 Mbps. Is support to 10 Mbps to 100. This is console port. This is auxiliary port. and this is the screws, 2 screws you can open and you can remove. This is a serial serial
Serial
0
port. Yes, sir.
0 and
Not
serial
serial.
1, right? Got the point? See
Yes,
here,
sir.
so there is no separate port to WAN. Got the point? And you can remove and you can connect the serial port or normal port and this fast Ethernet port according to company policy, according to your requirement. Okay, and this Cisco model number 2621. 2621, because from the
21.
26 all router is a modular router. Before 26, so in that few routers is a modular router, like 1800 in the one model, okay, 1200 in the one model. So but from the 26 all our router is become a modular routers.
Model.
You can remove and can change. Understand? So here this is port for communication. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes, sir.
link is there, 100 Mbps link, CF FDX. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, branch office. This is the router, means ISP router, because your router, branch office router. Which router I told you? You are seen. Your router, company router, this one. So serial port, this is the smart serial port, is connected to the company modem V.35 CSU DSU modem. This connectivity is connect. So I think I have, see, this is the cable. Yeah, see here. This is a CSU DSU modem. And this is the serial cable. And here 18 pin, this side 18 pin, this is 26 pin or 60 pin, which one you are using. But in this picture is showing the 26 pin. So this is the serial cable. Maximum is minimum 1.5 meter and maximum 3 meter this cable, because router and modem is near. So who will provide this? ISP people, CSU DSU, channel service units, data service units. This is the modem. Okay, so this is, and see here, this is fast Ethernet port. This is connected to the your switch. This cable is connected to the switch. Okay, so you are making LAN. So this is come 1 GB or 10 Mbps to 100 and 1000. Now this is port is come to 1 GB also, 1 gigabit per second, 100 Mbps also. Clear? This is the console port, physical access purpose, console cable you can connect. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is the adapter, power adapter. Clear? Now understand? This is the telecom, means ISP people, they are connected, the cable is connected from the ISP people, right? So this is the router and this is open and this convert and forward to ISP. So these, from this cable, that all signal is goes to the ISP service provider. After that you don't care about that one, whatever happens. So because your responsibility is over, so that responsibility to forward and move to the ISP routers. Okay, got the point? So this configuration also done by the ISP people are done, and this information, this port about the information you have to provide to the ISP people, and they will send the one file. So just copy and paste inside this router. How you can paste? Because this if new router, so you, with the help of console port, you can enter the inside the router and configure this interface. Already you have seen how to configure the interface. Okay, how to enter the interface. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, these are the things. So now, but the problem is we don't have the any modem. Where? Okay. So in the company side, it will provide the one modem, but in the here we are not inside the company, right? So we doesn't get that modem to configure. So instead of modem, we have the router. Okay. So we are remove the all configuration which is responsible for service provider, but whatever responsible you, so that configuration we might to know. Okay, so that is the reason I'm taking the two routers, and we need to configure these two router. Okay, so first thing, these two physical router first provide the physical connectivity. So first in that first physical connectivity, we need to take the 2 routers, and second thing is cable. So here this is a serial DCE cable. If you are seeing, so this is the cable. So connect where I need to connect. So but serial port, but I don't have the serial port, so I need to add the serial port. How can I add? Mr. Usman, can you explain? Can you help me how to add the port, serial port? No, it's not come. So I need to shut down
First of all, just power off and then insert the
and
module.
on.
Yes.
Right. Same like that. This router also shut down and take. And on it. So this router have 2 and this router have 1. So now take and click here on router, so it will show serial 0 by 0 by 0 by 0, this one. And now serial 0 by 0 by 0 by 1, 0. So because 2 connector, so that is the reason 4 interface it will showing, 4 models it will showing, right?
Yes.
So 4 interface because I connect 2. So now I connected here. This is my figure. This is where is the clock rate, that is the DCE. Where is no clock, so that is the DTE. Okay, clear? So this is the IP address I need to assign the IP to this interface, right? So let's go to configure the interface and check. See here. Before that, so this is called link. This is called link. In the real time, they will ask, what is your link address? Link address is nothing but your network address. Network address. So what is I'm using here 1.0.0.0.2. So my network address is 1.0.0.0/8. Okay. And subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. This is my link address. Link address. And now this is my interface IP address. This is my interface IP address. Okay. So which cable I'm using here? So this cable is V.35 cable. V.35 cable. Now, for practice purpose, I'm using back-to-back cable, serial back-to-back cable. Serial, this is the back-to-back cable, this one. Because both side is same connector, so there is no change. This cable is for practice purpose, because Cisco know, because if you want to do the practice, so no one can provide, no institute can provide the real router, okay, because very expensive that is, and connectivity is no provide, right? So that is the reason Cisco will provide, and Cisco can suggestion to you, you can use this cable for practice purpose. So both side is same connector, but one side is DCE, one side is DT, is written on the cable, right? So where is the DCE? You can connect to the one side here, and DTE one side. So once you make a route, the modem one make a router. Okay, got the point? So that is the VT3 cable. Which cable? VT3 serial back to back cable. This is the cable. So V.35 back cable. This is the link address and this. So this is called link information. Okay, link information. And in the real time, they will say, please, can you provide my link information? So you have to say all these things. My link network address is this one. My interface IP address this one. My interface name is this one, serial 0 by 0 by 0. Okay. And this is the DC or DTU you need to provide. Okay, which cable you are using. Okay, which IP address you are using. This is the complete information you have to provide if asking the link information. Okay, clear? Now, one is the link information, second is the link status. Link status. So what is the link status? Hello guys, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have the class second session
Yes, sir. We have
at what time?
3:30.
3:30. Okay, because 327 is happened, so I forget. Okay, clear. So no problem. Whatever till that time, you can prepare. I will share you extra classes. Okay, and share you the commands also, so you can check in. Tomorrow we'll see the directly lab. Okay, so tomorrow, this lab and troubleshoot what is the problem is come, so what you need to do. Okay, and then LAN connectivity means, so tomorrow is a important class. Oh, so tomorrow is a Saturday, right? So al khair. Okay, if possible, so I can explain there. Okay, so we can, so smart, anyone can bring the pen drive in that, this software packet tracer, so we can install in that system in the, so rest of the thing we can discuss tomorrow. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we'll finish the IP address tomorrow earlier. Okay, so if you have the time, so we can finish this one also. Clear? So
Okay,
till
sir.
that time, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.